Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to review Domo. So if you've ever struggled with understanding your business data or getting everyone on the same page, then Domo might just be the solution that you need. It's a cloud-based business intelligence platform that brings all your data together in one place, making it easy to visualize, analyze, and act on. So in this video, we're going to cover what Domo is, how it works, its key features, integration with hiring platforms, plans and pricing, and lastly, the pros and cons. So without further delay, let's dive in. First off, what exactly is Domo? Well, Domo is a cloud-based platform that makes it easy for businesses to turn raw data into useful insights. It connects all of your data from spreadsheets and databases to apps in one place, allowing you to analyze, visualize, and share insights in real time. Instead of juggling multiple tools or waiting for days for the reports, Domo lets you create live dashboards, interactive charts, and easy to understand visuals that anyone on your team can access, whether they're in an office or they're working remotely. It lets you automate tasks and set up alerts so that you can keep track of your metrics without sorting through spreadsheets. Domo is used by all kinds of businesses, from startups growing quickly to big companies managing tons of data. Big companies like Disney, Capco, and eBay trust Domo to help them make faster, smarter business decisions. Now, let's dive into the key features that make Domo such a powerful tool in the business intelligence space. So the first big feature is how easily it handles data integration. Domo connects to over 1,000 sources like spreadsheets, databases, and apps such as Salesforce, Google Analytics, and Shopify. It pulls all your business data into one place. You don't need to know coding or rely on IT support to make it work. Another really cool feature is real-time dashboards and visualizations. So with Domo, you can easily create interactive, dynamic dashboards that update automatically as your data changes. Now, this helps teams make faster decisions based on live, accurate information. Moreover, if you're working with big teams or multiple departments, Domo makes collaboration easy. So you can comment on charts, you can tag teammates, set alerts, and even build custom apps all in one place. It's a simple way to keep everyone on the same page. Plus, Domo's mobile app makes it easy to stay connected to your data from anywhere. So you can view and share dashboards while you're in a meeting, traveling, or working remotely. Everything stays in sync, so you're never out of the loop. Domo also gives you strong control over data access and security. You can manage who can see, edit, or share each data set, keeping sensitive information protected and organized across your team. Along with that, Domo includes advanced tools like predictive analytics, machine learning, and custom app builders. Now, these features help you spot trends, plan ahead, and make smarter business decisions with confidence. Now let's talk about integrations, because this is where Domo really shines for businesses that rely on multiple tools. So Domo integrates smoothly with hundreds of data sources, including Salesforce, Google Analytics, AWS, Microsoft Excel, Shopify, and more. So this means you can bring all of your data into one place, create dashboards, and generate real-time insights, all without leaving the platform. And if your team needs something more custom, Domo has you covered there too. With its open API and developer kits, you can build your own integrations that fit the way your business works. It gives you freedom to set things up exactly how you want. Support-wise, Domo makes things pretty smooth. You can reach out through email, chat, phone, or submit a ticket if that's easier. If you're on an enterprise plan, you'll get faster replies and more hands-on help. Most people say that their support team is quick, knows their stuff, and actually helps solve problems, whether it's a glitch in a dashboard or getting your data flowing the right way. Now, let's break down some pricing, because while the tool is powerful, it's important to know if it fits your budget. So Domo offers a credit-based pricing model so that you can scale up depending on your needs with flexibility and control. Now, there's going to be 4 main plans to look at. You got the free trial, standard, enterprise, and business critical. So the free trial lets you test out Domo's full platform for 30 days, fully featured and with unlimited users. You're going to get free self-serve resources, 30 days of onboarding support, and a free training session to help you get started quickly. Next, Next is the standard plan, which is going to be ideal for teams with lower data volumes, but who still need powerful analytics. It offers full platform access, tier 1 support, a shared account team, free self-serve education, and additional add-ons to customize your setup. If you're scaling up, then the enterprise plan, which is also the most popular plan, adds volume discounts and assigned account team for personalized support and preferred support packages to help you manage larger data loads and users more efficiently. Finally, there's the business critical plan, designed for organizations that require the highest levels of security, scale, and performance. It includes everything from enterprise plus AWS private link, HIPAA environment compliance, and additional volume discounts. For standard enterprise and business critical plans, you'll need to talk to Domo's sales team to get a custom quote based on your specific requirements. All right, so before we finish this video, let's go over the pros and cons of using Domo, just to give you a clear picture. So the biggest plus is how Domo pulls all of your data into one clean, easy to use space. You don't have to bounce between spreadsheets, dashboards, and a bunch of BI tools. Everything's here. Analytics, data visualizations, app building, predictive insights, team collaboration. It's all built into one platform. It works well for small teams and scales up easily for bigger businesses, which is a huge win if you're growing. Another strong point is real-time data processing. As soon as something changes, you're going to see it without waiting for reports to update. The dashboards are fully customizable, the mobile app keeps you connected anywhere, and the platform includes serious security features like AWS Private Link and HIPAA compliance. So it's solid on the safety side too. Now, there are a few downsides to keep in mind. So pricing isn't listed publicly, and for smaller businesses or startups, Domo might feel a bit pricey, especially once your team or data needs start to grow. Also, setting up more complex integrations or building custom apps isn't always plug and play. You might need a developer or some outside help to get things just right. And finally, while Domo is packed with features, it might be too much if all you need is basic reporting or lightweight analytics. It's a powerful platform, but if your needs are simple, it might be more than what you really need. At the end of the day, Domo was built for teams that take data seriously. If you're tired of scattered spreadsheets, slow reports, and disconnected tools, Domo pulls everything into one clean, easy-to-use platform. It gives you what you need to track, analyze, and take action, all in real time. From small teams starting to scale to large companies managing tons of data, Domo has the flexibility and power to keep up. It's not the most budget-friendly option, but for what it delivers, it's one of the most complete business intelligence platforms available today. So that's it for now. And if you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest reviews, and leave a comment if you've tried Domo or need help getting started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.